Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Genie garage door opener after a power outage in a thunderstorm from a lightning strike or power surge. So what you're going to have to do is press the program button and up and down arrow simultaneously, holding them down for a duration of 10 seconds. So count to 1, 1000, 2, 1000, 3, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010 seconds. After you finish your countdown, release the buttons and the system should reboot, allowing you to use your garage door opener. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.